You're welcome back. We're still treating Jamb questions, and we have another two numbers on the board. The first one, find the values of x where the curve y equal to this crosses the x-axis. And second, we have to find the remainder when this is divided by this. Question number one. Solution. When if we have x and y axis, this is y, this is x. X is always 0 along y axis, while y is always 0 along the x axis. So to find the values of x when this curve crosses x axis, it means that it is at the point where y is equal to 0. That means when y equal to 0, it means that x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0, taking the value of y. Now, for us to get the values of x, we need to find the factors of this. The factors are those values that can divide this without any remainder. Yes, we have to use what I can call trial and error method. That is, when x equal to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. So we can start by using x equal to minus 1. That means substitute x equal to minus 1 here. If we end up with 0 as our answer, it means that x plus 1 is a factor. That means x plus 1 can divide this without any remainder. So let's go ahead. X equal to minus 1. That means x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. And that is equal to 1 minus 1 raised by 3 plus 2 into minus 1 squared minus 5 into minus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. So let's simplify. This will give us minus 1. This will give us plus 2, because minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. This will also give us plus 5. Minus 5 times minus 1 is plus 5. Minus 6 equal to 0. Simplifying, 2 plus 5 is 7. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. So we have 7 minus 7, which is 0. And that means that, therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. And that means that we are going to use this to divide this to reduce the power of this. So we have found one of the factors. See what I've done? We have done this, so you have to bring back this, and that is this. Because minus 1 crossing this equality sign, the sign will always change. If it is plus, it will change to minus. If it is minus, it will change to plus. So let's go ahead. So we're now going to have this x plus 1, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. We're going to use long division. And in this case, you will always try to get the first value here as you are dividing. So what are we supposed to use? It means the first thing should be x raised power 2. X raised power 2 times this will give us x raised power 3. X raised power 2 times this will give us plus x squared. Then you subtract. This will be 0. This will remain x raised to power 2 minus 5x. Again, what are we going to use? We're going to use x. That will be x, because x times x will give us x squared. X times plus 1 will give us plus x. So, we bring down, subtracting, this is 0, this is minus 6x, bring down minus 6. And if you watch, it means the next thing we need is minus 6. Because minus 6 times x will give us minus 6x. Minus 6 times this will give us minus 6. Now, if we subtract, this will change to plus, making it 0, and everything will turn to 0, 0. Okay. So, we are now having x plus 1 into x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So we're now going to simplify this by factorizing. So I will be able to find all the values of x. So coming back, we have to factorize this. We are now having x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. And what are the factors? The factors should be plus 3 and minus 2. So this will be x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. You can see that this is x is common, x plus 3. Here, minus, what is common here is 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. So, bringing everything together, we have x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So now we are to bring all the factors together. That will enable us to find the values of x. So remember, our first answer was x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. And from here, we can see that x plus 1 is either 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x is either minus 1 or minus 3 or plus 2. Because this one going over will be plus. This is minus, this is minus. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, comma, minus 3, comma, plus 2. So these are the answers to question number 1. So we go over to question number 2 right away. So that means the values of x, where this curve crosses the x-axis, we have seen them. So we'll go back to question number 2. And question number 2, we were asked to find the remainder when this is divided by this. Yes, it means that since this one we will have remainder when we use this to divide this, it then means that this is not a factor of this. So, if x plus 3 equal to 0, we know that x is equal to minus 3. And if this is the factor of this, it means that if you fix minus 3 here, we are not going to get any remainder. Our answer will be equal to 0, just like what I did in the first number. So we are going to substitute this here, and whatever answer we are going to get is what will be the remainder. Okay, so we are now coming back. 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 4. So we are going to substitute x equal to minus 3 in all of them. That will give us 3 brackets minus 3 raised by 3 plus 5 into minus 3 squared minus 11 into minus 3 plus 4. And that will give us, this is the 27, and 27 by 3 will give us 81. So this will give us minus 81. This is plus 9 times this, that's plus 45. This is plus 33, and this is plus 4. So we add and subtract. 33 plus 45 plus 33 will give us 78 plus 4. 78 plus 4 will give us 82. 82 minus, so that will give us minus 81 plus this is 78. Yes, 82 plus 82, and our answer is 1. Therefore, the remainder is equal to 1. So that is the answer to question number 2. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for all the viewers, those who have been watching my videos. I thank you very much, and I will always try my best to explain so that whichever one you are watching, you will understand it. Please subscribe, share to others so that they will also learn, and encourage them to subscribe. Thank you. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it in the next video. Thank you.